Welcome to EPG Pathshala. In this module, which is chemical speciation and environmental consequences, we are going to talk about the chemical speciation definition and different chemical application of different elements and toxicity of metals. The term chemical speciation means identification of inorganic and organometallic species of an element chemical in an environment. The chemical reactivity and properties of toxicity of the element depends on the nature and form of the chemical entity or species. For example, copper 2 in free ionic form is toxic to phytoplankton, while copper complex to organic ligand is not toxic. The form of metal in solution can also change its properties such as toxicity, solubility, etc. For example, iron 2 is soluble in aqueous solution, whereas iron 3 is nearly insoluble. Formation of different species may be due to one of the following reasons. Number 1, due to the difference in oxidation state. 2, due to the hydrolysis of ions. 3, due to the complex formation. And 4, weak acids and bases. First, we talk about the difference in oxidation states. The common oxidation state, for example, of iron are +2 and +3, and almost all the aqueous chemistry of iron is confined to these +2 and +3 oxidation states. In natural waters, ferrous form, that is iron +2, changes easily to ferric 3 +3 due to the air oxidation as shown below. Fe, that is water complex, FeOH6, FeH2O6 2 plus half O2 plus acid, that gives you ferric hydroxide and water. Second, due to the hydrolysis of ions. The hydrolysis of iron and other species is common method of generation of new species. For example, hydrolysis of acetate ion in water generate undissociated acetic acid, and solution will have two acetate species, acetate ion, acetic acid molecule and hydroxyl ion. Due to the complex formation between metal and the ligand is common process for generating differently complex species. For example, in aqueous solution, the presence of copper 2 cation and chloride ion can lead to the formation of several chloro copper 2 complexes like CuCl plus, CuCl2, CuOH plus, CuOH twice. So, the aqueous solution are having a number of copper 2 species, usually Cu2 plus, CuOH plus, CuOH twice, CuCl plus, CuCl2 species as weak acid and or weak bases. Weak acids and weak bases on dissociation produce a number of species depending on the number of ionizable proton or hydroxide group. For example, carbonic acid, it has two dissociation constant, it form bicarbonate ion and carbonate ion. Thus, the solution have three carbonate species H2CO3, HCO3 minus, CO3 2 minus. Similarly, ammonia can have, ammonium hydroxide can have ammonium plus OH minus, ammonium ion, this further dissociate to ammonia and proton. Thus, there are three ammonia species, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium and ammonia. Toxicity of a chemical species also depends on the species present. For example, Hg is not toxic, but Hg in the form of organometallic, that is dimethyl mercury, is highly toxic. The mobility of transport of element concerned in the environment depends on the physical properties like volatility and solubility, etc. The mobility and transport of toxic species affect the man and other organisms. Arsenic mainly exists in environment as arsenite, that is in the iron arsenic +3, and iron arsenate as iron arsenic +5 or organoarsenic. Organoarsenic compounds could be of both the states, that is arsenic 3 and arsenic 5. Only arsenite form of arsenic is toxic. The concentration of arsenic in delicious food, seafood may be 10 ppm or more. Arsenic in marine organism is present largely as arsenobutane, which is not toxic. Speciation of arsenic, inorganic species in water. In nature, arsenic occurs in several oxidation states -3 to +5. That is -3, 0, +3 and +5. But in water, it occurs mainly as oxoanion of +3 and +5 oxidation states. Arsenic is perhaps unique among heavy metalloids and oxoanions forming elements. For example, arsenic, selenium, antimony, molybdenum, vanadium, chromium, uranium and rhenium in its sensitivity to mobilization at the pH value. The existence of particular form mainly depends upon the redox potential and pH. Because of the solubility, mobility, bioavailability and toxicity of arsenic depends on its oxidation state. Studies of arsenic speciation and transformation among species are essential to understand the behavior in environment. Arsenate 5 and arsenites are primary arsenic form present in the water and soils. Both arsenic 3 and arsenic 5 are subjected to chemically and or microbiologically mediated oxidation, reduction and methylation reaction in soil and water. It has been observed that arsenic 5 remain almost entirely as undissociated arsenic 3 S3ASO4 in a strongly acidic medium or less than 2 pH. 3 successive pK value of S3PO4 are 2.19, 6.94 and 11.5. In neutral or weakly alkaline medium, pentavalent arsenic exists as S2ASO4 minus, whereas arsenate ion ASO43 exists only in strongly alkaline medium. The methylation of arsenic in the water may be summarized given as in the figure. The toxicity of arsenic 3 is due to the greater sensitivity of enzyme SH group with arsenite as given in the equation. Speciation of arsenic in groundwater. In groundwater, inorganic arsenic commonly exists as arsenic 5 arsenate and arsenic 3 arsenite, among which the trivalent state is considered to be more labile and toxic for living organism. The mobility of arsenic is mainly determined by the absorption capacity of mineral surface, which is controlled by the geochemical parameters such as pH, redox potential, ionic composition and mineral type. In groundwater, the ratio of arsenic 3 and arsenic 5 can vary greatly as a result of the variation of abundance of redox active solid, especially organic carbon, activity of microorganisms and extent of convection and diffusion of oxygen from the atmosphere. Arsenic 3 to arsenic total ratio in anoxic groundwater vary between 0.1 to 0.9. Oxidation of arsenic 3 by dissolved oxygen is slow reaction and slowest in slightly acidic, that is a pH range of 5. The rate of oxygen is independent of the concentration of dissolved oxygen. It has been found that arsenic 3 to arsenic 5 ratio was stable in anoxic solution for almost 13-week lapse, of which acidified to pH 5 to preserve their in situ speciation. The Bengal basin is regarded as to be the most acutely arsenic affected geologically province in world. The Bengal arsenic disorder is possibly the worst environmental hazard in the history of human civilization, much more serious than Bhopal gas tragedy. In West Bengal during 1980s, some cases of arsenic disaster, Dharmutsin in the district of North 24 Pargana, Nadia, Murshidabad and Bardhaman were reported. By the end of December 2001, this problem spread from few villages to 2060 back in 88 districts. Sources of arsenic in Bengal Delta is geogenic and related to the sedimentation deposit by the river Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna, along with their tributary and distributaries. Speciation of mercury. Mercury was first element whose speciation was been studied. The main incentive of the studies was serious poisoning by mercury, which polluted the water of Minamata Bay, Japan, where it occurred as methyl mercury, as dimethyl mercury. The phenomenon pointed not only to different toxicities of different compounds of same element, but also to the possibilities of conversion of these compounds in environment. In this case of mercury methylation by microorganism. The mercury species occurring in environment can be divided into volatile, mercury 0, that is mercury metal, mercury dimethyl, easily soluble Hg2 plus HgCl2, HgNO3 and hardly soluble organic complex CH3Hg plus CH3HgS. Mercury can form compound not only with the methyl group but also with other alkyl groups. Distribution of mercury depends on the significant degree of conditions. In oxidizing condition, the dominant form are Hg2 plus and or Hg2 plus etc. While in reducing condition, the dominant species are mercury sulfur compounds HgS and CH3Hg S minus, etc. In intermediate condition, the most after come across the are methyl mercury compounds. Mercury compounds occurring in natural environment can also be divided according to their reactivity. The most reactive species are Hg2 plus, Hgx plus, Hgx2, Hgx3 minus, Hgx2 minus, where X is equal to OH, Cl minus and Br minus. Mercury 0, that is mercury compound, mercury metal bound to aerosol molecule, and Hg2 plus bound to organic acid, water soluble. The unreactive species include HgCH3 plus, CH3 HgCl, CH3 HgOH and other mercury organic compounds, HgS and Hg2 plus bound to sulfur in the humic substances. Certain species belonging to the chemically active unreactive ones, for example CH3Hg, are bioavailable and can undergo bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Some chemical unreactive species can be converted to reactive one through biochemical transformation. Speciation of mercury in hydro ecosystems. Oxidation of mercury metal to mercury 2 is considered to be negligible or not occurring in natural water. However, in marine water containing chloride ions, the oxidation process are believed to be more important in water close to shores, where concentration of suspension is the highest. In water, good excess of oxygen element mercury can be relatively quickly oxidized by different reagents, mainly oxygen, but also by nitrates, nitrite, iron hydroxide, iron phosphates, sulfates, sulfur and carbon dioxide. The reduction of mercury in ionic form, that is mercury 2 to elemental mercury, can proceed by biological and chemical processes. Based on experimental data, some are of the opinion that the biological process with the involvement of bacteria from genus Pseudomonas and other microorganisms as the most important, while others suggested that the photochemical reactions play the dominant role. Mercury 2 can also be reduced by humic substances under the influence of solar radiation or without it. pH. The water of low pH, the dominant are soluble mercury compounds such as HgCl2 and Hg-methyl2 plus, whereas in mild alkaline condition Hg0 and dimethyl mercury dominate in the water of oxidative property. The dominant compounds are HgCl4 2 minus and HgOH plus, while in reduction condition it is CH3 HgS and HgS2 minus, and in variable condition we most often find CH3 HgCl and CH3 Hg2 plus. In sea water, mercury mostly exists in chloro complexes HgClOH, HgCl2, HgCl3 minus, HgCl4 2 minus and HgCl3 Br2 minus, of which HgCl4 2 minus is major species at higher concentration of Cl minus ion in seawater. Chloro species occur at low temperature, at low pH, and hydroxy species usually HgOH twice, HgOH3 minus at high pH. Biotic methylation of mercury. Methylation of mercury takes place mainly in bottom sediment and in solid, but it can also take place in water. The process can occur by biotic and abiotic pathway. This is affected by main factors such as availability of inorganic Hg2, activity of microorganisms, redox condition, pH, temperature, salinity and contents of organic matter. The biotic methylation of mercury takes place mainly in anaerobic condition, but it can also occur, although the more weak, in aerobic conditions. In the biotic methylation of mercury in anaerobic condition, vitamin B12 play a donor of methyl group. Of key importance in anaerobic process are the sulfate reducing bacteria, with whose involvement in the process can be described as methylation, that is Hg2 plus and RCH3, CH3Hg plus R. Monomethyl mercury is formed easily in acidic medium at the relatively higher concentration of mercury. The rate of methylation decreases with the increased salinity. The amount of methyl mercury seems to increase in proportion to the concentration of free sulfide ions, maximum 1.8 mg sulfide ion gram per sediment. Above this point, the concentration of sulfide ion CH3Hg concentration decreases, most probably because of the formation of volatile dimethyl mercury. It is presumed that bacteria which synthesize methane produces the methyl cobalamin as the intermediate in the synthesis. In neutral and or alkaline water, dimethyl mercury is formed, which however changes to methyl mercury cation in acidic condition. The methyl mercury compound is volatile, escapes from the bottom mud into water and partly into air, whereas monomethyl compound is soluble in water and concentrate in living organisms, usually in the body lipid, while dimethyl mercury evaporate into amorphous where it can be decomposed to methane and elemental mercury by photolysis or oxidized by hydroxyl radical. This is given in the figure. Toxicity of metals. Toxicity of certain metal in certain oxidation states or form and doses on life is known as metal toxicity. The toxicity of a substance depend on its form. For example, chromium in +4 oxidation state is highly toxic. Toxicity of cadmium. Cadmium is not an essential element for human body. Cadmium is a class B metal and it binds to thiol group of thioin like protein. Enzyme bind cadmium accumulate in kidney, liver and reproductive organs. In Japan, due to the cadmium exposure, a specific disease called Itai broke out. The disease showed painful symptom of multiple fracture arising from osteomalacia. In Japan, cadmium poisoning occurred when effluent from zinc mines were discharged into Jintosu River. The river water was used for irrigation the rice field. Those who consumed this rice developed a very painful skeletal disorder known as witch or Itai disease. This was due to replacement of calcium in bone by cadmium. Exposure to cadmium dust or fumes during industrial operation causes hypertension and cardiovascular problem, which finally lead to the acute damage or to the lungs of the worker. It is suspected that probably cadmium poisoning occurred due to the substitution of cadmium in place of zinc in certain enzymes. This causes metabolic disorder. A major source of cadmium, its presence in cadmium product, because cadmium occur in nature with the zinc minerals due to the similarity in their properties. When plant acquire zinc, cadmium is also taken in. Bioaccumulation of cadmium occurs in tissues. Toxicity of copper. Copper is an essential trace element due to its role in metal enzyme, for example, cytochrome C oxidase, superoxidase dismutase, ascorbic acid oxidase, ceruloplasmin, homocyanin, etc. Copper toxicity is due to its affinity for thiol group of enzyme group. Whenever such groups are bonded to copper, the activity of enzyme is lost. Copper toxicity may occur from eating food cooked in uncoated copper cookware or from exposure to excess copper in drinking water or other environmental sources. It can also result from the genetic condition of Wilson disease, in which the copper level control mechanism is damaged. Consequently, the copper is not excreted to the extent it is absorbed, and hence the accumulate in liver, kidney and brain. Accumulation of copper seriously damages central nervous system and causes cirrhosis of liver, which ultimately causes painful death. Toxicity of lead. Lead is a heavy metal. It is not an essential element for human. It is most widely distributed toxic metal in environment. Lead acid batteries, glazed ceramic ware, lead pipes used for water supply, lead based component of solder, lead petrol. It is now banned in several countries due to the environment concern. Smelter also releases lead in the environment. When ingested or inhaled, it increases level in body, harmful to the human, and children under the age of 6 are affected most. An average adult can excrete 2 mg of lead per day. Excess lead is transported to bone marrow and then stored in bones. Lead disrupts hemoglobin metabolism and causes anemia. It is an inhibitor of enzymes containing sulfonyl group, resulting in the damage to the central nervous system. It casts detrimental on the neurological development of children by causing potentially permanent learning and behavioral disorder. It interferes with the variety of body process and is toxic to main organic and tissues, including the heart, bone, intestine, kidney and reproductive and nervous system. Symptom of lead poisoning include abdominal pain, confusion, headache, anemia, irritability, and severe cases, seizure, coma, and death. Toxicity of manganese. Magnesium or manganese poisoning is a toxic condition which results from chronic exposure to manganese. Although most of the manganese is eliminated by biliary excretion, manganese may affect liver function, and damage to liver may show the process of biliary excretion. So the concentration of manganese increases the blood plasma. The long-term accumulation of manganese affects fertility and neurological functions. The interaction of manganese with iron disturbs the iron metabolism, leading to neurological disorder. Manganese is naturally occurring element and is found in rock, soil, water, and food. The oxidation state vary from ±3 to +7. The most common oxidation state is +2. For example, manganese chloride, manganese +4, manganese oxide, and +7 potassium permanganate are the well-known compounds. Manganese and its compounds are found in environment as solid in soils and solute or as small particles in water. Toxicity of mercury. Inorganic mercury compound species are not toxic. Inorganic mercury species are transformed into methyl mercury and dimethyl mercury by the action of microorganisms in presence of vitamin B12 coenzyme. Methyl mercury compounds enter into food chain through their uptake by aquatic plants and fishes. Mercury prefers to bind to thiol group of enzymes and protein. Toxic effects include damage of brain, kidney, and lungs. Mercury poisoning can result in several diseases such as Hunter-Russell syndrome, Minamata disease. In late 1950, environmental poisoning due to mercury occurred because of the release of mercury-containing waste by chemical plant in Minamata Bay. The methyl mercury was formed and passed up to the food chain to smaller fish and then to larger fish. Due to bioaccumulation, the mercury became more concentrated. 100 people who ate these fishes got poisoned. About 40 people died and many deformed babies were born. The disease was named as Minamata disease. Symptoms typically include sensory impairment, vision, hearing and speech, disturbed sensation and lack of coordination. Toxicity of selenium. Selenium is an essential element. In trace amount, it is necessary as a nutrient. Inorganic selenium compounds such as sodium selenite are involved together with the vitamin E in the prevention of many nutritional deficiency diseases. Selenium is necessary for prevention of a number of selenium deficiency diseases in various species of livestock and poultry. Selenium deficiency in elements affect fertility and produces muscular dystrophy, liver cirrhosis, etc. Effect of selenium causes cancer, deformation of hair and nail, giddiness, depression and nervousness. Thus, health problem can arise from both excess and deficiency of selenium. Toxicity of vanadium. Vanadium is an essential element for the normal growth. Vanadium blocks sulfhydryl activities of many other enzymes. Vanadium also reduces blood lecithin content and participates serum protein. The exposure of vanadium pentoxide dust causes conjunctivitis, nasopharyngitis and persistent cough. It inhibits synthesis of amino acids, cholesterol, phospholipid and other lipids. Toxicity of chromium. In the natural system, chromium exists in two oxidation states, chromium 3 and chromium 4. Chromium 3 plays an important role in some metabolic process and it is responsible for reducing blood glucose in addition to insulin. So it appears to be an essential trace element species. On the other hand, chromium 4 is highly toxic and carcinogenic in humans. Natural source of chromium are rock. Chromium 3 is oxidized by oxidant such as manganese oxide, H2O2, gaseous O2, ferric 3, ions, oxyhydroxides, etc. And chromium 4, the equilibrium between chromate CrO4 minus and dichromate Cr2O72 minus species is given in the following equation. So in this module we have learned the speciation of different metals and the toxicity of different metals and their environmental aspect. Thank you very much.